So this is our Mustache. In a nutshell, the Mustache is a cost-effective, practical and protective way of installing part of the autonomous kit in our truck. This is what gives our trucks their distinctive look, and they look pretty cool, right? A key design engineering activity within Volvo Autonomous Solution is to figure out how to install the AD kit in our Volvo FH autonomous truck. We designed the Mustache to hold an array of sensors for our perception and safety. It's not only a great look, it's also an important part of securing the installation of all the components for our perception and safety system. So we have a set of LiDARs that are installed in the front, radar, IMU and cameras. When designing the Mustache, there were a lot of requirements to take into considerations. We have the legal aspect of the width of the vehicle, no sharp edges. We need to make sure that we don't obstruct the headlights and the towing area. We also need to consider the functional requirements of the perception system itself to make sure that we have a sturdy and durable installation of the LiDARs, still making sure that we can fulfill the field of view for the sensors. The design itself contains a lot of functionalities. For example, we need to make sure that heat and water could find its way out. We also need to make sure that it's sturdy and fulfills the demanding mining operation. And it is also designed in a way so that we fulfill the functionality of the LiDARs. When designing the Mustache, it is a lot of simulation that is done. The Mustache is then tested in the real world. With that feedback, we have improved the design and then finalized the design to prepare for production. So to conclude, we are starting with the simulation, then we are testing in the real world, and then we are finalizing the design to make sure that we can prepare for production and aftermarket. So this is robust, safe autonomy in action.